Hello and welcome to the episode 8 of PyTorch Code Deep Dive. In the last episode I showed what happens when a neural network module object is created, and in this episode I will discuss accessing and updating attributes and how to use global registration hooks. If you find presented content useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Let's see what happens on accessing the module's attribute. We can see that custom getAttribute method is called. This method checks each of the module's containers for named attribute. Since setAttribute guarantees there are no duplicates, only one container returns the module and the lack of it will raise error. We expected flatten to be module, so all good. Additionally, I wanted to show how representation is designed. Each module can add its specifics to the representation, like dimensions to perform flatten over. All the submodules are added to the representation as well. The name, by default, is the name of the implementing class. However, it can be customized by overriding getName method. This way, meaningful representation of the module can be created. On setting attributes, register hooks are called. In order to register a hook, it's sufficient to call global registration function. The function is provided with 3 parameters. Let's deep dive to see what is passed. Init method calls setAttribute, and for the submodule, in this case flatten, a register hook is called with 3 parameters: parent module object, name of the attribute, and target submodule. We are printing this to see what happens. This hook can be considered as a callback that allows modification of modules, parameters or buffers before assignment. The last thing I want to show is how attributes are removed. Let's say we would like to replace linear rail stack with the buffer. Since the previous attribute value was a module, we cannot override it with a buffer. What if we decide to replace buffer attribute with parameter? Since a buffer of the given name already exists, it's removed from the containing dictionary. Only after that, new parameter is registered. In this video, I showed what happens on accessing and updating attributes and how to use global registration hooks. In the next episode, I will show how parameters are obtained from the module. If you like this video, make sure to press like button and subscribe. I hope my content will help you creating something great. Thanks for watching.